How to buy Squid, the Squid Game 2.0 token. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token, it's available on PancakeSwap. Now to be able to buy this token in PancakeSwap, just connect your wallet. For example, I will select like Trust Wallet and now log into your account from here. Now after you log into your account, just click on connect. And now as you can see here, you will be able to buy this token from here. Select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you select USDT, just go and type how much you want to buy. Now for a while, you will see how much you will receive of that token. Now, but first of all, you need to fill your wallet by USDT. As you can see, I have 0. Just click on get it now. Now, as you can see, select the currency that you want to buy the USDT with. For example, I will select the USD and I will type $200 to be able to buy USDT and fill it to my wallet. Now here, select the provider, for example, Transact. Now after that, buy with Transact. And now for a few seconds, you will see the page that you will be able to buy this token or this USDT to fill it with your wallet. You have 3 options to pay with Visa or Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now after you are ready to go, just click on buy now and you will be able to get the USDT wallet address to be able to buy the USDT. So after you click on buy USDT, just enter your email to be able to receive the code. Now enter the code and you will be able to ready to go and fill your wallet by USDT. Now after you fill your wallet by USDT, you can buy this token. Now the other option is by adding this token to your wallet. So this token is available on Coin Sniper. Now this is the address token under the BNB Smart Chain. Just copy the token address. Now go and open your Biscuit wallet. Now from here, select the network to BNB chain and click on this plus button. Now paste the token as you can see. So this is our token. Just click on plus button as you can see. Now go back to be able to find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Now click on swap and now click here switch to be able to buy this token. Now from here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And now this is how much you will receive of that token. Now after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this Squid Game 2.0 token. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.